During this Pilates class, you're going to be doing all of the exercises from a seated position on a chair. As an option, bring a very light set of weights for the arm work. And if you don't have light weights, no worries, just do the arm work with no weights at all. Let's begin with your light weights off to the side. And you can stay squared up. I'm going just to turn to the side so you can see not only my front, but my side a little bit as well. So I'm a little diagonal here. You want to scooch forward so you're more towards the front of the chair. Root down with the feet here. Deep breath in. Long breath out. And let's begin your next breath in. Press down into your hands and lift your chest up. So small supported spine extension and return. Just 2 more times. Looking up, opening chest, letting the shoulders roll back. And return. And another time here, pressing down. Very nice. Hands come to the side of the chair. Head rolls down this time. So let your head roll down your back. Your fingers, arms will naturally reach to the toes. Take a deep breath in once you're forward. And slowly roll back up. Seated tall once again. Deep breath in. Take your time. Make it worth it. So that means slowing down for this seated roll down. So you can really move through the back. And rolling back up again. And just one last time, rolling down. Arms will naturally release. Coming right back up. So staying upright, arms reach forward towards your knees. Pull the arms back, keep them there. Look over one shoulder. And second, center, arms return. Pull back again. Look and look, center, return. Think about rooting down with feet and pelvis as you're doing this. And maybe growing a little taller. Find that length as you're moving through this. Just one last time, pull, rotate, center. Arms come parallel to floor, cross them on top of one another. Roll yourself back, pelvis, lower spine starts to curl back and come right back up again. So you may roll back so much that the back reaches the chair. That's okay. And if you have a chair with no back, just make sure your work's staying in the abs, the feet staying down. So don't go back so far that your feet start to lift up off the floor. And another time here. Very nice. Arms reach in front of you, hook your thumbs together, reaching up. So they're nice and narrow next to you. Side bend over to one side, coming right back up again, and bend over second side, coming up, rooting down through both feet equally, allowing yourself to continue to breathe deeply here. One last time, and you'll keep that nice reach and length with your side body. Arms come in front of you, crossing through. And now pivot back, coming right back up. So it's a back motion, but rather than rounding, having a nice hinge. Still feeling the effort in the center, in the abs. So it could be deep breath in. Long breath out, your feet staying down on floor. 2 more times. Very nice. Reach arms in front of you again. Hook your thumbs. Arms come up next to ears. Rotate to one side. Roll back towards that side, coming up center. Second side, rotate. Find that curl back. So you're curling back at a little bit of a diagonal. Arms reaching. Equal weight in the feet, no matter where You are. One more time, each side. And after you're even, stay center, arms circle around, take hold of your weights. So having hold of your weights, palms face in front of you. Big circle sweep up, arms lower in front. So find range of motion with ease in shoulders and neck. Deep breath in, long breath out. Deep breath in and out. Maybe sensing arms getting longer as they're circling. Another time here. They lower down and you reverse. Your arms reach up, up, up. Big open circle down. Deep breath in. Long breath out. So just the arms moving. Neck nice and happy. No effort there. 2 more times. One last time through. Very nice. Open your arms wide, parallel to floor. Bend the elbows, 1 to straight, 2 to straight. Keep elbows bent. Bring them in halfway and go straight again and bend. Straight to bend, straight. Keep them bent. Bring them right in line with shoulders. Again, straight. So with light weights, this shouldn't be too challenging. If it is, no weights is an option. Keep elbows bent. Elbows open wide and close. Rest the body, stay still. Elbows open wide and close. Elbows open wide. Now squeeze your shoulder blades together and release. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, release. Find that squeeze. Just a few more times. 2, 1. Pull the arms in, bring them down, palms face in. You lean forward slightly. Elbows can reach back. One arm goes behind you, opposite arm goes up. Pull arms back in, switch sides. Slow. So that you can try to get the full length, the full stretch of the arms, and then come right back in. Still breathing deeply here. This is arms into shoulders, but not into those upper traps, into the neck area. Definitely no back. One more time each side. Very nice. Keep arms close in. Come vertical again, sitting tall. Hands will be right in front of the forehead, elbows spread wide. Your arms reach up at the diagonal and bend. Think about sitting taller, arms reach up a diagonal and bend. Deep breath in and out. Just 2 more times. 2 and 1. Very nice. Bring the weights in, take them to the side. One leg, pull thigh in towards you. Same arm as leg, hooks underneath it, other arm comes onto wrist. So it's this position here. You keep the thigh close towards you as much as you can. Leg goes straighter, stretch and bend. So you will feel a little stretch and bend. Keep the leg straighter. Hands take hold as close to the ankle as possible. And exhale, bend the elbows round towards the knee. Arms go straighter, sit up tall. Round towards the knee. Sit up straighter. Round towards the knee. Rock your shape back, little tip and tip forward. Stay round. Little tip and tip forward. Another time, tip and tip forward. Reset, bend the knees, sit up tall, hands just below knee. Rotate towards your thigh, so the other arm is going to open. Now push your knee ever so slightly into your hand that's supporting it. You're rotating. You can stay right here, or if you want a little more stretch, hand slides down to foot and leg reaches. So nice rotational stretch here. Your gaze can be over the back hand. Wherever it feels comfortable, take another deep breath here. Very nice. Back arm lifts up, leg crosses over, leg on floor. So figure 4 stretch seated on chair. Fold yourself forward. Folding forward, reach the hands down and experiment hands reaching down. Or sometimes it feels nice to have your arms on your thigh. Maybe that weight feels helpful. No discomfort in the knee, however. No matter what option you choose, no knee discomfort. Take another deep breath here. Allow your spine to stack up. Hand goes to the inside of the foot and open your leg out to the side. So a little open out to the side motion here. You can do a little tip back and forward. That little rock again, little tip back and forward. Another time, tip back and forward. Bring the leg in line with your body. Point through the foot, both hands on it. You're sitting so tall. And now rock back just a little bit. Maybe your back just barely grazes the mat. Keep the leg here. Little strength challenge. Reach your arms. Slow. Lower it down, slow, lower it down. It becomes parallel in line with the other leg. Bend the knee, sit up tall. Nice work. Switch sides, hooking underneath. Nice and tall, thigh close in towards you. Deep breath out and in. Deep breath out and in. Another breath. Legs stay straighter, hands walk closer towards the ankle. Exhale, bend forward to thigh and stretch. Sitting up tall. 2 more times. Bend to stretch. Sitting up tall. One last time. Bend to stretch. Keep it here. Rock back and return. Little rock. Little rock. Very nice. Bend the knee, reset, sit nice and tall. Hands just underneath the knee here. Rotate towards the bent leg. Your free arm can open. And the knee pushes forward into the hand a little bit. Get that nice rotational stretch. You want more, the hand can slide down to foot and your leg goes straighter. Breathing in and out. Sometimes when you look over that back hand, it allows you to maybe rotate, access more rotation, so you can play with that. Another deep breath. Very nice. Arm reaches up to ceiling, leg crosses over, figure 4. Stretch yourself forward. Remember, your arm can stay on thigh or both arms reaching. What helps you deepen into the stretch in a way that feels nice? So deep breath into body and exhale, just release a little bit further, release a little bit further. Your next breath, reset, sitting up tall, hand on inside of foot and leg opens down. May stay a little bit bent or maybe it goes more straight. So that open position, little rock back and return. Rock. And rock. We'll go for a little challenge. Leg comes back in line with you. Both hands on it. Sit nice and tall. Then pivot back just slightly. Use less and less hands, so eventually no hands. So slow, leg starts lowering. This will help with teaser. Leg starts lowering, leg lowers, so it becomes parallel in line with the other leg, wherever that is. Bend the knee, reset both feet down. Beautiful work, sitting nice and tall. Allow your arms to sweep up towards the ceiling. Arms start to go back and your spine extends as well. Circle sweep the arms, sit up tall. Let's try that again. So your arms sweep wide. Reach and extend arms and spine. Let gravity help your arms and back, reach back, circle sweep around, come upright. Just one more time. Arms reach, extend back, little swan variation. Get that beautiful extension and then the circle sweep. This time, circle sweep all the way down forward. Full deep breath in. Exhale, release. Deep breath in. Exhale, release. Deep breath in. Exhale, rolling yourself up, 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 until you're seated nice and tall once again. Hopefully feeling so amazing after that session. If you are, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you're wanting to move a little bit more, why don't you check out this chair workout that you're seeing right now. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me for another class soon.